We will build our second Death Star above a... Yeah, shit's not going the way they want it to, is it? Really? Ouchie. Is this her dad, I suppose? Yeah, I presume this is her dad. Yep. Her dad is also... Yeah, her dad's like this big... She grew up always having to refer to him as like Admiral or General or whatever. It was never like Dad. She grew up in that military life, yo. Hashtag military empire life.
Commander Versio, report.
We have eyes on a rebel recovery team, Admiral, but we're too late to capture the saboteurs.
What's the status of the Death Star's shield generator?
Worse than expected. There's no way to repair or reactivate.
Then our battle station is vulnerable. Eliminate the rebels and return to the Corvus. The Emperor's plan must not fail.
Yes, sir. Agent Hask with me. Agent Miko, cover us.
Let's go kill some teddy bears. I mean, what? I mean, I didn't say that. It's fine.
One target, dead ahead.
You laid out E11. Okay, second.
Understood, Commander. What's your status?
Claim yourself, Han Solo's a fool. He dies soon. Spoilers. Well, not soon. 30 years from now.
Careful, Commander.
Customize my loadout and stuff. Kill streak gang card. Okay, so you get every character in Starship OS3 has free abilities. So they're incorporating the cards and that from the multiplayer into the single player as well. Star cards, boost abilities, stuff. Yep. I like this better. Thank you. Let's have a go with this thing. And by have a go at this thing, I mean I'm probably just going to try and melee everyone anyway, so... Hello there.
I've got eyes on two strike teams. One at the bunker, the other patrolling near the fallen walker.
Good spotting, Agent. We'll take it from here.
Eliminate, eliminate. Okay.
Scan for me.
Whoops. Okay, maybe I'm not going to just... I get it. Miss all the fucking shots, my goodness. Bye.
It's over.
Well, that's all of them. Can I have two weapons here, or do I have to swap? I don't really want this, to be fair. I'd rather stick to this, thank you. We never saw... It's cool because like they've got all the collapsed ships and like whatever else around here, and buildings getting blown up. You didn't really see all this in the movie. That's cool. Even in Battlefront 1, it was just like the forest and stuff like that, so... You didn't really see anything cool like this. I don't know why they didn't add co-op to this campaign. Maybe I'm asking a bit too much. Do I have grenades? I do. L1. Who the fuck is left?
Scanning.
Oh yeah.
Commander, rebel reinforcements inbound.
What do we got here?
Weapons free.
Is this a... This is just another weapon crate thing, isn't it?
Understood.
No, it's another collectible. Oh yeah. Very good. Go eliminate some more enemies.
Scan.
I missed that completely. Miss all the fucking shots. What is this? Oh yeah. Yes, he is. Who's left? I heard someone this way. Come here, I've got a shotgun. I shot a gun.
That's all of them. Regroup and prepare to
I'm here. I'm here. Regroup with me, please. Thank you very much.
Clear.
Okay. Those can't be all of them. Those rebel commanders must have already moved on.
We should too.
We're near platform 4.
Is there a shuttle there?
No, TIE fighters only.
Even better.
We should move carefully. We don't know how many rebels are out here.
No, we'll deal with them the same as the rest. Today we wipe out that scum once and for all.
It's so funny because if the it's funny because if the Empire had trained more people to be as good as them.
Look alive, agents. We can grieve later. Right now we need to move.
On you, Commander.
We need to reach Platform 4 and secure those TIE fighters. That's our only way back to the Corvus. Agent Miko, scout ahead.
Yes, Commander.
Agent Hask, contact the Eviscerator. I need to speak with the Admiral.
Yes, Commander. Patching you through now.
Admiral, Inferno Squad is evacuating Endor. What's the situation?
Vice Admiral Sloan has ordered a retreat.
Ooh, Sloan mentioned.
Pulling out of the system. Make it to your ship, Commander. Survive. I will send you the rendezvous coordinates.
Yes, sir. We'll contact you when we reach the Corvus.
I don't understand how this happened. The trap was perfect.
Someone made a mistake. High Command overlooked something crucial again.
No, there has to be more to it. The rebels were outnumbered and outgunned.
It's simple. The Emperor underestimated the strength of our enemy, and we paid the price.
Commander, permission to speak freely.
Granted.
I know we're alone, Iden, but that sounded treasonous.
Look to the sky, Hask. It's not treason if it's the truth.
It is. All right, we're gonna pause for a second. I gotta give a shout out to something. They just mentioned Vice Admiral Sloan. Vice Admiral Sloan, one of my favorite characters to be introduced in the new EU. Only in books. She has not made a animated appearance, or I suppose, well, animated is the only other thing apart from movies she could be in. She hasn't been in episode 7 or 8. Don't know if she's alive during that period still. We don't know. But she does. Slight spoilers. That's not really a spoiler. She is with the Empire, what's left of the Empire when they evacuate Jakku and stuff like that. So she could be in episode 7. She'd be old, but I hope, now that they've mentioned it, I fucking want to see her so bad. Like, I just want to see her, like, real, not just reading words on the page. As much as I like books, I want to see someone perform her. She's such a great character. We're a ways off. I don't even know where we are. I'm loving the sound design.
Rebel patrol headed your way.
Thank you, Agent Miko. We'll take care of it.
Cha. I don't want to shoot the teddy bears. Oh. Don't make me do it.
I have a visual on the patrol.
Get inside, get where they stand.
We're taking this moon back to
Rein it in, Agent. You don't fire until I do.
Is the war really over?
Apologies, Commander.
If it were that easy, the Empire would have fallen over Yavin 4. Even if it were, this moon's still crawling with Imperials. We're not out of this yet.
It's also worth pointing out, as another quick note, if you haven't read Inferno Squad, Iden was there when they blew up the first Death Star over Yavin 4. She was in a TIE fighter. She crash landed on Yavin, and she managed to steal a X-wing and escape. I think it was an X-wing. Well, she stole a ship and escaped from the thing. But she already witnessed that base blow up, so I think I'm gonna. Do I have to like even go down there and kill him? Like, do I care? Do I just sneak past? Doesn't even. I don't think it matters. I'm quite happy just to sneak past. We got bigger fish to fry. Isn't that like the situation?
I've got eyes on a rebel ambush. We lost a shuttle and our men are overrun.
Keep scouting, Agent.
Yep,
We'll see what we can do.
yep. I don't want to shoot fucking teddy bears, please. Oh, here we are, joining the fight officially.
Scan the area.
What up, guys? You just look like you need some help from some real soldiers.
We have to help our
I say as I miss every shot nearly.
Stand your ground and return fire! rebels.
Understood, Commander. We're with you. Heavy, what's the...
Ah, fuck you go. Yeah, hold on.
Show me threat.
Oh no, there's not. We good?
All of them. Time to keep moving.
Where are we going? Give me the direction. This looks like a... Oh, a rocket launcher.
That's the point, Sergeant.
Ooh.
All the same, we're in your debt, Commander.
Ooh. I don't really need that at the moment. Where am I heading? Where's my objective? Can someone fucking... Up or down? Was I actually going down there? I don't think so. I'd like to continue forward, please. With me, troops. Troopers. Ah, here we go. Thank you. An objective marker.
I'm hearing reports of enemy transports landing across Endor. They're deploying troops.
The fuck was that?
This move.
We won't be here much longer.
Commander, look. Ready to engage.
Why am I engaging them? I don't fucking care. Leave them. That seems silly. That seems highly unnecessary. That seems like a bad move. That just seems like a bad thing to do. Just let them all leave. Officers make their allies more effective and can deploy defensive turrets. Prioritize officers when... Yeah, okay.
Be ready.
They stole shit from Wolfenstein. Fuck!
Threat analysis.
I should get up here. See you, Ned.
Attack!
I'm going in. Boy. Boy. Who else? Fucking yeah, bitch! This was a bad idea! It seemed good in the moment. I just want to be a badass with a shotgun. Every time I die, I get a fucking new thing.
We're done here.
See ya!
Miko, what's your position?
I've rallied a squad.
I got another rocket launcher. Surely I already had a rocket launcher, or did I lose it? I did, I lost it, annoyingly. Yeah. I'm appreciating the random areas we're in Endor. It's not like this isn't just like, oh, here's the Endor you know, and the Endor you've been. I'm in like nooks and crannies and areas that I don't know. It's like really cool. What's up, everybody?
Commander, rebels have seized platform 4. It's gonna be a fight to take it back.
Looks like you're ready for it. Troopers, we're gonna take back that platform and evacuate this moon. And then we're gonna make the rebellion pay.
Yes, Commander. We're with you.
For the Empire!
Oh, shield. Sounds good. Shields sound good. Oh, yeah. Isn't the main platform that leads up to the shuttle station? Yeah? Maybe?
We won't make it unless we take out every rebel on the ground.
Then that's what we're gonna do. Agent Hask, you're with me.
Whoops.
Ready when you are.
On my mark. Open fire!
I didn't realize it's got rid of my scan thing. I'd rather my scan thing.
Heavy!
Yeah, that didn't work. I want my scan thing back. I thought I swapped my flashbang for the fucking thing, but shield I would rather be.
That armor's too strong for blaster.
Is this they stole the fucking thing? I don't know. Where's that rocket launcher? Fuck. Okay, pressing the wrong button. That didn't kill it. Oh, I gotta wait for it to recharge. Awesome. Okay. Ow. 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 Ow, I keep pressing the wrong button. Fuck. This thing. Chicken Walker can fuck the fuck off. Are you fucking serious? No, fuck off.
Shock the area.
Get that motherfucker. Ha ha ha. See you later. Very good.
The ATST is down.
Bam. Come on. Come on, pop your head up. Fuck.
Looking for enemies.
Oh my god, there's still so many of them left. You rebels come in numbers, don't you? Oh, come on. Come on with that. I can't see shit. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Just miss all the shots. It's fine. I'm gonna get in here. Gotta get in. Come on. Poke your little rebel scum head up. Fuck off. Come on. Do it for me. Stop moving.
Looking for enemies.
Rebels neutralized.
Got them all?
Platform is
Very
down.
good.
Get to the lift. TV at the top to secure those ties.
Yeah, this has to be... Yeah.
Copy.
I suppose the question is it the exact lift we see Vader and Luke go up or not? To which, I don't know. Maybe. Depends how many of these stations they have.
Contact on the platform. Enemy forces are sabotaging our ships and preventing an escape.
Depends how many of these things they have over Endor, I suppose. Endor's a small moon, in case you hadn't heard, so maybe not that many? Why are we... What is this?
Push forward.
That seems highly unnecessary.
The first tie. Get the corpse ready for retreat.
Yes, Commander.
Scanning.
Oh, there's a lot of them. There's a few of them. Ah, trading grenades. Ba-da-da. Well, this thing's recharged.
Agent Miko, that's your TIE fighter.
I'll cover you until you escape.
No, leave now. I'm first in, last out.
Don't worry, I've got this. Maybe I don't. Maybe I don't. Forget everything I said.
Taking off, Commander.
I'm right behind you.
Am I? Whoa, 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 you can fucking die, please. You took a few hits, you bloody you tanky guy. Bye.
Still with us, Commander.
I'm getting in, I'm going in. I need to get him out of the fucking TIE fighter. Let me in. Alright. Please tell me I get to fly it out of here and not have a cutscene till we're in space and then let me fly it. I would like to fly it off. No? Fuck! I like doing everything. I like it when games just let me do all the things. I wanted to fly out of here. Yeah, that's a destroyed big ass moon there. That's no moon.
The Admiral created Inferno so something like this wouldn't happen again.
I know. Hard to believe this is all that's left.
Oh, here we go. They changed the controls of the fighters between the first game.
The reason we've been fighting so long.
You tried to make them afraid, we only made them angry.
Yeah, no shit.
Someone told me once that rebellions are built on hate. I never stopped believing it.
Rebellions are
How are we
built on
supposed to
hope.
fight that?
The Empire will change, just like it did when they destroyed the first Death Star. We adapt or die.
Why are we flying through this? Surely there was a way around.
The Corvus was damaged by the Death Star explosion.
Of course it was.
Engines are down, but the crew is making repairs.
Get the rendezvous coordinates from the Admiral.
Why are you doing this? Why are you making me fly through tight spaces? There must be an easier way. He's just trying to show off. Nico's like, I'm just the better pilot. Let me just lead you through all the fucking scrap metal. Oh, it's Dell we're following. Whoa, alright, see you later, nerd.
Agent Haas, we're approaching the Corvus. What's the status
I
on the
lost, where,
Ground injector systems
I
at
lost,
60%.
I lost,
Diverting shield power to reignite the engine systems.
I lost.
Commander, fighters inbound.
Okay,
First two, defend the Corvus. It has
Alright.
no shield power.
let's go. Fucking storm!
Bombers are making their attack run now.
Whoops. Oh. No, that's way too hard. Bye. Holy moly.
Agent Haas, status report.
Ow.
We have the rendezvous coordinates, but the crew
Ow.
needs time to repair the engines.
Ow.
Time.
Ow.
Let's take out these bombers.
Ow. 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 Bye.
Engines are almost ready, Commander.
Meow, 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 ow. 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 Just getting fucked. Bye. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, they're never ending. Thank you. Bye.
Engines are operational, Commander.
Can we
Perfect
GTFO
timing.
then?
Agent Miko, get to the Corvus. I'm right behind you.
Am I?
Commander Versio, order your ship to retreat, then join me on the Eviscerator.
There he is, there's
Sir?
Daddy.
Classified orders, Commander.
Whoa!
Free
moly.
in person.
Yes, Admiral. Inferno Squad. The Admiral and I will rendezvous with you later.
Understood, Commander.
Where am I going? Okay, it's done, it's fine.
You wish to see me, sir?
Approach. The Emperor is dead.
So what happens now?
We retaliate, Commander. The Empire will assault the very foundation of the rebels' pathetic belief in themselves. Tell me, Iden, what is the source of their belief?
Hope.
Correct. This messenger's presence is a great honor, one I choose to share with my daughter.
It's really cool to see these because they were shown in the like pre-Force Journey to Force Awakens. These things were introduced.
Admiral Versio, Operation Cinder is to begin at once. Resistance, rebellion, defiance. These are concepts that cannot be allowed to persist. You are but one of many tools by which these ideas shall be burned away. Heed my messenger. He shall relay you to your target.
Operation Cinder is the last command of our Emperor, and the first step in securing our future. Inferno is crucial to its success.
What's our target, sir?
You are not verified.
That information can wait. For now. Here are our next assignments. They are unusual. But these are unusual times. Go, Commander. Do what you do best.
That's a wrap on this video of the single player of Battlefront 2. Our adventure with Iden Versio will continue in the next video, so if you've enjoyed this one, drop a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. And if you're a fan of Star Wars, you should also subscribe to the Explosion Network's lead up to The Last Jedi podcast, Alderaan Explosion, available on all good podcast outlets and releasing every Friday at 12 PM leading up to The Last Jedi.
You take orders from me!